Types of inspection methods: 1. Revolving process, patrolling or floor inspection. 2. Fixed inspection. 3. Key point inspection. 4. Final inspection. 1. Revolving inspection. In this type of inspection, the inspector walks around the workplace floor and checks machine to machine, samples of the work of various workers and machines. The revolving inspection helps to find errors during the process and before the final product is ready. It is more effective and not need to move the product to another department for checking. 2. Fixed inspection. Fixed inspection finds defects after the job has been completed. Fixed inspection is used when inspection equipment and tools cannot be brought on the workplace. In this case, workers brought the sample to a centralized position of the workplace, at the interval to check the quality. Advantages of fixed inspection are the number of inspectors needed is less, and workers and inspectors do not come in contact with each other, thus it eliminates the chance of approving the doubtful products. 3. Key point inspection. A key point is a stage of production beyond which, it requires an expensive operation, or it may not rework. Every product has a key point in its process of manufacturing. Inspection at key point separates faulty products, and reject them from going to further processing. Thus avoid unnecessary further expenditure on those poor and substandard products. It reduces the cost of production. 4. Final inspection. In the final inspection, the inspector checks the performance and appearance of the product before delivery. These types of checking include destructive and non-destructive testing such as tensile testing, impact testing, fatigue testing, etc. The final stage of inspection ensures that the product should pass the X-ray radiography, ultrasonic inspection, etc. Let's move to quality control. If you want to read the article or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. Like the video and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.